Hello, 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 parents. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is well. Bonsoir, bonsoir, parents mieux qui j'ennuie. C'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe. Je souhaite tout le monde très bien. Kids, today we are going to learn the long vowel sounds. So today the video Miss Jerome is making for you is to learn the long vowel sounds. As you can see, we have the A, the E, the I, and the O, and the U on my board. So let's do a little review before we start the video. We know long A say A. So when you read the word's gonna make the vowel sound. So long A says A, long E say E, long I say I, long O says O, and long U say U. So this is just a little review on what the long vowels say. All right, so long vowel O says O. His name is O. Every word we're going to read is going to make the O sound. What sound long vowel say? O. So let's go. As in R, O, B, robe. And the E is quiet. Robe. Let's do it again. R, O, B, robe. Yes. Did you hear the O sound? Yes. We must hear the O sound in everything that we're going to read. Let's look for the O sound as in R, O, R, O. And what happened to the E, boys and girls, in rope? What happened to the E? The E is quiet. The word is rope. As in B, O, O as in B, O, bone. What's the word? Bone. Yes. O as in P, O, do it with me. Oh, and what happened to the E? The E is quiet, as in pole. As in O, as in K. O, K. O, as in cone. And what happened to the E, boys and girls? The E is quiet. O as in open. O, P, N. Open. Open. O as in st. Own. St. Own. Stone. As in stone. O as in R, O, B, ought. R, O, B, ought. Robot. Yes, robot. O as in O, S. O, S. Nose. Thank you for learning with us today. See you next time. Subscribe for more fun learning videos and have a wonderful day. Thank you, parents, for watching this video with your child. In order for them to know how to read, they must know the long vowel sounds. So please make sure you practice with them often. So like that, they know what does the O long vowel O say. And then when they're reading, help them look for words that has the O sound. Parents mieux, merci d'être nous te gade vidéo. Songez bien les ti moun yo appelé que nous fait ti moun yo chercher mot qui gen même son O an, les appelé comme ça pour yo ka songer qui sa yo te li. Pas oublier subscribe sur channel là, l'aime fait nouveau nouveau vidéo pour nous cajoner. Eh bien, c'était Miss Jerome-Severe. À bientôt. See you guys later. Good reading. Bye.